Please show the support, guys. If you like this video, then please hit the like button like this, and also share this video by hitting this share button, and please hit this red subscribe button and turn all notifications by selecting all, so you will get all the notifications of my channel. It is totally free. Hello guys, today in this tutorial we will be building this Excel file using a Python library called as XLSWriter. So this is the Excel file that we will be building. It contains two columns, names and ages, and these are the records. So let's get started. So before building this application, you will need this library, which is XLSWriter. So just install this by executing this command, which is pip install XLSXWriter. So just write this command and just install this module. I have already installed this module. Just you import this. First of all, import XLSWriter here. So this will import this library. Now you just need to create a Excel book. So here you just need to provide the name of the book. Let's suppose I change this name to book2.xlx. This is the extension. So this will create a new workbook. Now we need to create a new sheet. So we can just create a new sheet here, which you can see that add worksheet. So after this, we just need to insert some entries. So we will be naming this as the names array, which contains 3 entries, John, Smith and Hardy. Similarly, we will create the ages array, which will contain 3 values, 45, 56 and 78. And now we will write the first record in column A1. We will write names here. You can see that inside A1 we are writing names here, and similarly I will write ages in the B1. You can see that B1 ages. And now I will write in the A2 column. You can let me just show you the A2 column. This is the A2 column. I am writing John here. So the first element in the names array, so I can just write here names 0, A3 names 1, similarly A4 names 2, and similarly I can write sheet write B2 ages 0s. This will write 45, 56 and 78. And now after writing all the records, we just need to save this file, and for this we can just close the connection by executing this command excelbook.close. So this will create this file inside my directory. Let me just change the name to book2. If I run this, it will create this file which is book2. You can see that. Now if I open this file, you will see that this has created this file, Excel file. You can see that with these entries, names, ages, John, Smith, Hardy and 45, 56 and 78. So in this simple manner, you can just create an Excel file in Python using this module called as XLSWriter. So thanks very much for watching this.